YouTube. Alright, man. As y'all boys can see. Goddamn. At the gas pump. Good. Right now, he filling up the cat. Man. I can't really say too much. Y'all go see by the title of it. Y'all just gonna see it when it's done, most likely. Yeah. Well, I guess like when I park up at like a gas station or some shit, show y'all, but we got something new done to the car today, bro. So turn out when we are somewhere parked up or some shit. Alright. Yeah, bro. What the hell? Like, what they doing over there? What? Like, I hear trucks and shit.
Subdivision already doing it. Like, housing.
We make this shit.
Oh, shit, out here? Yeah, if you're white.
But yeah, y'all boys see it though, man. We going, got SRT8. Scat Pack, whatever the hell you wanna call it. Full rear end. That bitch got the Brimbos. So basically my shit look like a strike. Crazy word. I don't care though, bro. It is what it is. I know my exhaust, I gotta get my exhaust welded again because the last in my exhaust, he welded my clamps, bro. Nigga welded my clamps, so I gotta go and get that welded. So my car gonna sound ridiculous in a bad way. So I'm gonna be honest, that stay like that for a little minute, because I'm gonna be honest, I'm not doing that shit. I spent too much money already. I'll probably be like that till I get paid. So as long as that goddamn stick back up in there to the point where it won't fall, then I should be good. But I don't know, bro. We'll see. I got them boys back on when it's actually done, because I ain't gonna lie. Dang, I ain't got time to be sitting here holding the goddamn camera. It's hot as a bitch outside. It's probably 90 some degrees out there. So I gotta hit y'all young when I finish. Or when the GOAT himself finished. So yeah. So, as our boys can see, you feel me? We got damn Bremboed up, goddamn it. So we got a few bolts, which is, well, we already got that one right there, I believe. You gotta do this one, you know, a few ones up there and shit, like my fault. A few ones up there, we did this one. Well, that one's not all the way in, but that one is supposedly in. But yes, we are Bremboed up. So heck yeah, bro. We do go Brembos, you feel me? And yes, this is the diff so I can slide my car, bro. It's been long over, goddamn, dude. As y'all boys can see, though, you feel me? This bitch look beefy as hell, twin. Oh my God. You feel me? Oh, as y'all can see, still got some decent little tread in these joints, you feel me? But yes, we are going Brembos. I said it 1,000 times. This the old Cradle right here. Old diff. This the trash diff right here. So, heck yeah, bro. We going goddamn big B's on them niggas. No bullshit. Some hard shit. Let me see if y'all can show y'all the diff. Hold on, wait. Boom. So, yes, I will be sliding my shit. Yes, I will be in the pit soon. So be ready for that. But I'm gonna turn my boys back on. When this shit actually probably on the ground and done. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, cause like I said, I don't feel like doing all this access as recording. So yeah.
Drop.
Yo. This shit is crazy.
So I can get quick batteries. Yeah, I need to put that one shit on ASAP.
Yeah, that shit going crazy right now.
That's all look at that bitch. This is the original windshield. I know I need a new one. Seal probably done as fuck.
That shit.
As long as that bitch ain't pouring, a couple drips never hurt nobody.
Yeah, exactly.
If that bitch start pouring, then we got a problem.
Yo.
That's what you call forced induction right there.
Bro, your air feel good as fuck in here, bro. My shit be feeling nice, but my shit don't feel this nice, bro.
Gotta make sure it's charged full.
That's probably what it is. Cause like I can't just hop in my
so
car.
nasty.
Yeah, GG's. They finna paint this nigga shit gray, bro.
That shit look nasty, just ugh. I got a fucking weak stomach for shit that look like disgusting.
That shit did not help. Bruh, I don't think y'all understand, bruh. This bitch is so geeked out, bruh. Like, this shit is sick. Like, oh my god. Oh shit! What the fuck? Man, this shit'll never get old, bruh.
Fuck no. Not to me.
Shit.
That's why I couldn't go regular cat this go around. I had to go some stupid geeked up shit.
Like, bruh, look at this shit. Yo.
With the 17s on
Oh
the back.
my god, bruh. Like, nigga, my life is not complete till I get one of these bitches, bruh. Oh my god.
That window
Shit.
takes 707. That bitch takes 700 plus.
Y'all see that shit?
Plus.
Hey, bro, hell no,
They did 120 like this.
God damn, what the fuck? Alright, man, y'all boys can see, you feel me? You got them fast dudes outside. And yes, it is finished. I haven't really drove it hard or nothing like that. But, as y'all boys can see, yes. We do got the Brimbos on my shit. So, my part of my hair look kind of bad. But, Isaiah glazing from afar. But y'all see it though. Brimbos twin. I go Brimbos when they LSD. Huh?
It's still lower.
You think it sit lower? What y'all thinking? Isaiah think it sit lower. I don't know. It might do, bruh. Shit, I know. I'm about to take my black ass home. So, hey man, I don't know how long this video gonna be. It probably won't even be that long if I'm being honest with y'all. I might mix this shit with another video, who knows? But as y'all boys can see, we fully have the LSD installed, and man, hold on, let me drop the. Damn, we fully had a LSD, and yeah, to be honest, I ain't pushed it yet, so I don't know. I literally drove it for 2 minutes, so I'll give y'all an update probably somewhere on the screen or something. But hey man, appreciate y'all boys for watching, man. If y'all new, then make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.